Welcome to another version of Junior Makers at Home Edition. I'm Miss Rebecca from the Manchester Library, and I'm here to do some more kitchen experiments with you. Again, always get adult supervision before you try any of these experiments. Today, our underlying theme is dish soap, but we do not put dish soap in our mouths. We do not eat it, drink it, or anything like that. It is a chemical. It is not something you put in your body. So just so you keep that in mind. But it does make for some really great experiments and really great mixtures. The first one we are going to do, we are going to do an experiment that demonstrates the density of different types of liquid. We are going to start with corn syrup. This is corn syrup or maple syrup. This is a maple syrup bottle. So I already had some maple syrup in it. So I just decided to use it. It was right at the bottom and I thought I could use it for this experiment. If you want to use clear corn syrup, you can do that and color it, and it makes this experiment more colorful. But if all you have is syrup, that's fine too. So the first thing you add is syrup or corn syrup. I'm going to add just a little bit more to my jar, and there we go. And then the next thing you're going to add is dish soap. Colorful dish soap looks so much better in this experiment. You can get it in green and pink and blue. I'm going to use the blue, and you just pour that in your jar. And if you get your liquids all about the same amount, then you have nice stripes. And as you can see, we have now added the dish soap. Is it mixing with the syrup? No, it is not. The next thing we are going to add is water. I've colored my water red just to make it more colorful in the jar. You can color it any color you want. Just make sure it's not the same color as your soap, because it's going to go right on top of the soap. And we give it a minute to settle, and then you have another line of color. And the last thing we're going to add is oil. You could also do baby oil if you wanted to color it. If you wanted, let's say, green or something like that, you could put some food coloring in some baby oil. Or I'm just using the yellow regular cooking oil. And you pour that in. And you give it a minute to settle. See it's settling on top. The oil is bubbling a little bit. And now you have a beautiful decorative bottle with different colors. Of course, you could add glitter. And if you wanted to do, remember our lava lamp experiment? You could also add some Alka-Seltzer tablets to this mixture, and you would get a lava lamp. I'm going to leave mine be. I like the stripes that I've got so far. Why do the liquids not mix and the colors not mix? Because the liquids are different densities. The heavier ones with more dense liquids stay on the bottom. The lighter one, the oil, stays on the top. There you have it. A density experiment with different liquids in your kitchen. Hi there. The last experiment is the pepper reaction. We just get a pan of water. Preferably a white pan, and then you sprinkle some pepper in it, and I will show you here. This is what we have so far. We have pepper floating on the top. You just get your Q-tip, dip it in a little bit of the dish soap, and you're just going to touch one spot on the surface of the water, and whoop, magically the pepper runs from the soap. That is a demonstration of surface tension. The surface tension that existed that made the pepper float then when the dish soap is touched inside, it moves the surface tension, thus propelling the pepper to the edges, and see it just continues to run from the soap. And there you have it. Thank you for tuning in for another version of Junior Makers at Home Edition. I'm Miss Rebecca. I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. And remember, all of your experiments need to be done with adult supervision. See you next time.